Today we will learn national income and its concept. What are the concept of national income? Not components. This is the concept of national income. Okay. So we include in the national income that some concept. For example, gross domestic product, that is called GDP, gross national product GNP, net domestic product NDP, and net national product NNP. So there are four concepts of national income: GDP, GNP, NDP, NNP. So one by one we come what is this and what its meaning actually. So now first, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product, the money value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country in an accounting year. So in the GDP, we include only under the domestic territory of a country. Under domestic territory of a country, that is called GDP. And in the GDP, if we add net factor income from abroad, then it becomes GNP, means gross national product. So see, in the national income definition, you have learned the money value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country, including net factor income from abroad in an accounting year. Because national income is called NNP. So that's why we include their net factor income from abroad. But in the GDP, gross domestic product, the money value of all final goods and services produced only within the domestic territory of a country in an accounting year. Here we will not add NFIA. So this is called GDP. In the GDP, export and import will be included. Net exports will be included. So GDP, in the GDP, we only include the factor income from the domestic territory of a country, and if we add NFIA, net factor income from abroad, then it becomes GNP, gross national product. So the gross national product definition will change: the money value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country, including net factor income from abroad in an accounting year. So GNP equal to GDP plus NFIA. And if in the GNP, if we deduct NFIA, then it becomes GDP. So in the GDP only within the domestic territory of a country plus NFIA. Now we come, the next is NDP and NNP, net domestic product and net national product. Net domestic product, and first just try to understand the GDP, GNP, next is NDP, net domestic product, and net national product. What is the basic difference? GDP, gross means all. Money value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country, and if we include net factor income from abroad, C arrow, plus, and if GNP to GDP, then it's minus NFIA. Next, from GDP to NDP, the definition will be same. Okay, the only we will change some criteria, some topics. For example, GDP to GNP, we go GDP to GNP, we add NFIA. From GDP to NDP, नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट, नेट का मतलब समझ लो कि नेट का मतलब है कि समथिंग क्या होगा इसमें डिडक्ट। नेट जितने भी हमने पढ़ा, नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, नेट एक्सपोर्ट्स, ठीक है। सेम एनडीपी, नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट। नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट में फ्रॉम जीडीपी टू माइनस अगर हम कर दें डेप्रिसिएशन, देन इट बिकम्स टू एनडीपी, नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट। जीडीपी minus depreciation equal equal to NDP. Depreciation, what are the depreciation? Depreciation is consumption of fixed capital. तुम लोग को पता है फिक्स्ड कैपिटल क्या है? लैंड, बिल्डिंग, मशीन, इसमें जो कंजम्पशन होते हैं वियर और टियर, दैट इज कॉल्ड डेप्रिसिएशन. ठीक है, या हम उसको चेंज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड डेप्रिसिएशन. सो इफ वी डिडक्ट फ्रॉम जीडीपी माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन, देन इट बिकम्स एनडीपी. सेम प्रोसेस फ्रॉम जीएनपी टू एनएनपी, ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट, यहाँ भी जीएन एनएन. ओके, सो ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन, then it becomes NNP. Is that clear? Next, net domestic product to net national product. Net domestic only within the domestic territory of a country, and net national we add net factor income from abroad, then it becomes NNP. Is that clear? Same GDP to GNP we add NFIA. Same NDP to NNP we add NFIA, and from GDP to NDP minus depreciation, GNP to NNP minus depreciation. Is that clear? No. Before coming to this concept, the one thing also you learn, the first thing is factor cost, and we will come again GDP, GNP. So some concept try to understand. Factor cost and market price. Factor cost, it is actual cost of the producer. Actual cost of producer including profit. Including profit. मान लीजिए ये डस्टर है, इस डस्टर में सपोज इन डस्टर प्रोड्यूसर का एक्चुअल कॉस्ट क्या होगा इंक्लूडिंग प्रॉफिट. फॉर एग्जांपल इसकी प्राइस 10 रुपीज़, ठीक है, उसमें प्रॉफिट उसके इंक्लूड है 1 रुपीज़, मीन्स 9 रुपीज़ उसके प्रोडक्शन के एंड 1 रुपीज़ फॉर प्रॉफिट. सो 10 रुपीज़ इट्स प्राइस. लेकिन व्हेन इट कम्स टू द मार्केट, तो अब इसमें क्या ऐड होगा? टैक्स, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स, सेल्स टैक्स, जीएसटी, व्हाटएवर. तो इफ फ्रॉम फैक्टर कॉस्ट टू मार्केट प्राइस में जब हम जाएंगे तो वी इंक्लूड नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स. व्हाई नेट अगेन? यहाँ पर फिर नेट आ रहा है, मतलब समथिंग माइनस. तो नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स इक्वल टू, नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स का मतलब होता है इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स माइनस सब्सिडीज, जो सब्सिडी गवर्नमेंट दे रही है फर्म को या हाउस होल्ड. सो इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स में हम माइनस कर देंगे सब्सिडीज, देन इट बिकम नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स. सो नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. फैक्टर कॉस्ट को हम एफसी बोलेंगे, फैक्टर कॉस्ट, एंड मार्केट प्राइस वी से एमपी. Clear? Now, factor cost, actual cost, and when it goes to market price, we add net indirect tax. अगर market price से factor cost में जाएंगे तो C एरो माइनस net indirect tax, तो ये बनेगा. अब हम फिर से आते हैं GDP, GNP, NDP, NNP. Is that clear? C. Yes, we have already discussed GDP only within the domestic territory of a country. Depreciation, okay, we have already discussed reduction in the value of fixed assets. So now come to one by one. Decline in assets value over time. For example, आपने कार खरीदा, उसके 20 साल में उसकी depreciate हो जाएगी value. So this is called depreciation. Same condition in the machine also. Factor cost, actual cost including profit also, the producer's actual cost, and if we go to the market price we add net indirect tax. Now we come to again gross domestic product and GDP, GNP, NDP, NNP. we again for first my definition is GDP, gross domestic product, only within the domestic territory of a country. Territory हम जब भी बोलते हैं तो including sea area, air areas, all includes domestic territory. This is called GDP. यहाँ पे जितने भी हमारे प्रोडक्शन हुए हैं और जिससे भी हमको इनकम आया फ्रॉम द प्राइमरी सेक्टर, सेकेंडरी सेक्टर, टर्शियरी सेक्टर, इज इट क्लियर? These three sectors and are from the all over the country's value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country. So that is GDP. And if we add here net factor income from abroad, net factor income from abroad means factor income from abroad minus factor income paid to abroad. दोनों को माइनस करेंगे, then it comes to the net factor income from abroad. So GDP we add NFIA, it becomes GNP. Clear? Now same from gross to net, net domestic product minus depreciation, then it becomes GDP to NDP, and from GNP to NNP again minus depreciation. Is that clear? And NDP और GDP, ठीक है, दोनों domestic territory of a country, only gross domestic product minus depreciation, and GNP to NNP minus depreciation, and NDP to NNP. Net domestic से हम जाएंगे net national, then we add NFIA. Same, क्योंकि net domestic product within the domestic territory of a country only, and if we add NFIA, then it becomes NNP. Now come to the main point, that is factor cost and market price.